In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin Gmail to the Windows 10 taskbar in just a few easy steps. This is a super helpful trick if you use Gmail every day and want faster access without opening your browser and typing the address each time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Gmail sitting right on your taskbar like a regular app, ready to open with one click. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're on the main Gmail page before moving to the next step. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome options. From there, move down to Cast, Save and Share. In that menu, click Install Page as App. Chrome will now prepare Gmail as a desktop app instead of just a browser tab. A small window will appear asking you to give the app a name. You can leave it as Gmail or change it if you want something easier to recognize. After that, click Install. Chrome will create a desktop shortcut for the Gmail app and open it in its own window. Now go to your desktop and find a new shortcut icon. Right-click the icon and from the menu choose Pin to Taskbar. Once you do that, Gmail will be added to your Windows 10 taskbar for instant access anytime you need it. You can now click it just like any other app and open Gmail directly without going through Chrome first. This is a great way to make your email workflow faster and keep your desktop more organized. And that's it. You've successfully pinned Gmail to the Windows 10 taskbar. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.